Memory insult challenge.
Part 2.
Welcome back TMG Squad to your daily dose of energetic entertainment. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel and join the TMG Squad, because here at TMG we are always energetic, we are always happy, because we are always smiling. Yes, definitely. Today we have a little bit of a different video. We are bringing back the memory insult challenge with a little bit of a twist. But first of all, we have our curious questionnaire, and it comes from the user Hazik, and he asked us, can we please eat chilies with hot sauce? So Hazik, this is for you. Please.
Why?
Stop sending torturous comments to us.
Because you know we will do it for you guys, you know. Oh man.
It really burdens us to know that we will do whatever you guys do for us, because you guys really mean a lot to us.
Let's get into the video. Yeah, just to let you guys know, before we started, we're going to start this, we were just both looking at this and man, I really do not want to lose this challenge.
Nah, because the thing is that this sauce is extra hot sauce, so it is gonna burn and it is gonna linger. And the thing
on
is
top of the chilies.
Exactly. The chili alone is gonna burn. So
we are Indian here, guys, so
and we are complaining.
letting you guys know, when we cook food or do anything, we buy the hottest of the hottest to make sure the taste is there.
Exactly.
So you can really expect these chilies to burn.
Yep, and with that said, let's get into this video, and I'm going to get it started off.
I see what you did there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll still win.
Okay, okay. We'll see. We'll see.
Start. It's like delaying because no one wants to eat the chilies.
Yeah, no one wants to eat it. Your head looks like a pear.
My what?
Your head looks like a pear.
Like a...
Already, guys.
Alright, let's get into it. Okay. My head looks like a pear. Your ears look like potatoes.
Your head looks like a pear, my ears look like potatoes, and your nose is big.
I can't be serious. It's hard to be serious right now. Okay. My head looks like a pear. Your ears look like potatoes. My nose is big. Your nose looks like a bag.
Your head looks like a pear. My ears look like potatoes. Your nose is big. My nose looks like a pear. No? Looks. What?
This is gonna be a short one.
No.
This is gonna be a short one.
Wait. Your head looks like a pear.
Last chance.
My ears look like potatoes. Your nose is big. Yeah, I said that. My nose is something.
This is much shorter than the previous episode, guys.
It was. What was my nose?
Your nose looks like a bag.
A bag.
How'd you forget that?
I don't know.
What was number 4?
I know.
Just to let you guys know, we are having 2 rounds, hence there is 2 chilies. So right now Ishan has to down his first chili.
Why? Why?
Whoa, I'm drenching this stuff. Make sure he gets extra, you know, all of it.
Oh my goodness.
Inside, and you have to eat everything. Not like the first video.
No, I'm not gonna eat this little top part, because
No, you don't have to eat that. Yeah.
That's disgusting.
There you guys go. Show you it's dripping, guys. There's so much sauce. Just
Yep.
there you go.
Yep. Oh my goodness.
Just eat it.
I'm not even gonna think about this, honestly.
Oh, my hand smells so hot. There he goes. How's it taste though? Amazing. I hope he loses the second one as well. Oh my gosh. Because you chose the smallest one.
What?
Yeah, this one is the bigger one. Oh my gosh. Let's let it set in there. So I can smell when he's chewing the chili. Watering as well.
Okay. That is hot. That is very hot.
It's much hotter than the previous one, eh? Link in the description to our first video.
This is gonna burn. Oh my goodness, I can feel it in my throat. Whoa!
It Even though I'm his best friend, I'm enjoying this so much right now. Make sure you don't lose the next one.
No.
Don't. It's gonna make it worse. Oh my gosh. He actually took it in. Ready?
Ready when you are.
Round 2 and final round. I'll start it off.
Yeah.
Your eyes look like the sea.
My eyes look like the sea, and your teeth are crookeds.
Your eyes look like the sea. My teeth are crooked. Your lips look like a jelly bean.
A jelly bean. Okay. Okay. My eyes look like the sea. Your teeth are crookeds. Yo, just crookeds. These chilies are. Whoa! Your lips, my lips, your lips, my lips. Ugh.
Make sure you know. You can eat the next one.
This is hot. Why is it so hot? Okay.
Come on. You can do it.
My eyes look like the sea. Your teeth are crookeds.
Yep.
And my lips look like jelly bean.
Okay.
And your...
The after effects are really kicking in right now.
And your ears look like satellites.
Satellite.
Satellite dishes. That's what I mean. Sorry. Sorry.
Satellite dishes. Alright. Your eyes look like the sea. My teeth are crooked. Your lips look like jelly bean. My ears look like the satellite dish. And your hair looks like a broom.
My hair, okay. My eyes look like the sea. Your teeth are crooked. I keep making this mistake.
It's crooked.
It's crooked.
We got a new word here for you guys.
Your teeth are crooked. My lips look like jelly beans. Your ears look like oh, this is burning. Satellite dishes. My head looks like a broom.
Oh crap.
My
I don't even
head-
remember half of it.
My head looks like a broom.
Oh no.
My head looks like a broom. And you look like you have freckles.
Freckles. Okay. Your eyes look like the sea. My teeth are crooked. Your lips look like jelly beans. My ears look like satellite dishes. Your hair looks like a broom. What did you just say? What did you just... Oh! I look like I got freckles.
Yep.
Yes!
Okay.
And you look like a spaghetti.
Okay.
Spaghetti dish.
My eyes look like the sea. Your teeth are crooked. My lips look like jelly beans. Your ears are satellite dishes. My hair looks like the broom. Your face has freckles. And what did you just flip and say? Goodness me.
Getting angry.
Yes. This guy is making me angry.
Chilies aggravate people.
And I look like a
Good to know.
spaghetti.
Dish.
You said spaghetti.
Yeah, spaghetti dish.
Now you don't remember anything, do you?
Just say something so I don't forget the one you just couldn't say.
You're starting to walk.
What was the first one? Your eyes look like the sea, my teeth are crooked, your lips look like jelly beans, my ears look like satellite dishes. Whoa. What happened to your nose? What happened to the noses?
Nothing happens in the noses.
Oh, that was in the previous one?
Yes.
Oh, crap.
Whatever.
Okay.
After the satellite dishes.
Satellite dishes. Your hair looks like a broom. I look like I got freckles. You look like a spaghetti dish.
I thought you said spaghetti.
Spaghetti. I meant spaghetti dish.
Okay.
What did you just say? It's the most recent one that you... I'm starting to bolt.
Yes. This is going on long, eh?
No one was saying that last time. I can
No.
smell it. Like when he's talking, I can smell like when I... It's a smellception right now. Of just chilies.
My eyes look like the sea. Your teeth are crooked. My lips, I'm giving up with that in left from now on. It's gonna be crooked, okay? It's crooked.
New word in the English dictionary.
My lips look like jelly beans. Your ears look like satellite dishes. My head looks like a broom. You have freckles. I look like a spaghetti dish. You're balding. What did you just say?
Did I say anything?
No. You didn't say anything. There's a penalty right there. That deserves a chili.
No, wait. You started. You didn't let me say anything.
No, you just carried on and then you stopped.
Did I say anything,
You
guys?
didn't say anything. You did not say anything.
Your throat looks like a hose pipe.
My throat looks like a hose pipe.
Okay. This might be
just
not
helped
okay.
me.
Oh God. Okay. Your eyes look like the sea. Yeah. My teeth are crooked. Your lips look like jelly beans. My ears look like the satellite dish. Your hair looks like a broom. I look like... No, I don't look like spaghetti. You look like spaghetti.
Yes.
Uh...
What did you just say? Broom. You just said
I meant broom, yeah.
it's time on us. It's time.
Wait!
It's time.
Wait!
Oh. Just give up. The chili is waiting for you. It's waiting for you. You're gonna kill yourself once I tell you what it is. Unless you get it. You guys know what it is. Yeah, you know what it is.
Okay, I want to redo.
You know what it you know
Last
it's
chance.
last chance, eh?
Yeah.
Last chance.
Okay, your eyes look like the sea. My teeth look crooked. This looks like a jelly bean. Your lips. My ears look like the satellite dish. Your hair looks like the broom. I'm balding.
You're missing one. You're missing one. One specific one. This is your last chance. I think we should give him 30 seconds. 30 seconds to think of it. And if you can't think of it,
I have freckles. Is that one?
yeah.
You look like a spaghetti dish. What was mine? I just said it. It was
Yeah, you just said it. The timer is ticking. The timer
I said it though.
is ticking.
You look like spaghetti.
15, 14, 13.
I'm balding.
You already said that.
No.
You did. 6,
No, it's you look like
5,
spaghetti. I'm balding.
4.
And now it's yours then.
No, you said something about me. 2, 1. Ding,
I'm
ding,
even
ding,
lost
ding,
where we are right
ding.
now. Like I can't even.
My neck looks like a hose pipe. That was the last thing you said.
Oh, I was lost myself.
It's time.
You made sure you didn't lose that one.
Time. It's time for you to feel the burn. It feels nice, eh? Online. Hey! I must dip it. I must dip it.
If you guys didn't see that, I was like trying to take as much sauce off of it as possible.
And now I'm trying to put as much on as possible.
You actually putting way. It's actually grinding. It's just like digging into the sauce.
Say ah.
I know.
There you go. Hey, 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 hey.
Oh gosh,
I'm advocating this.
it's so long.
Eat it! The thing is that the chili part makes it worse. Because the hot sauce, I can handle hot sauce, especially this extra hot sauce. But like the chili is what makes it burn for a longer period of time. Are you dying over there? Okay guys, just for comparison, this is mine. This is what I did. Can you see how much of chili I ate? Okay? This is his. Can you see how we cheated? Oh, okay. Being a man now. Thank you. Thank you, Anas. Thank you. That's gonna make it burn in the throat. Oh, you're gonna be a boss now. Think you're a boss. You're gonna regret that. Why you don't say anything?
Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
No. We need to see this. We need to see this. So, Anas, how do you think that round went for you?
I got lost.
How do you feel about that?
The insults got to me. I think.
Yeah, definitely.
Even though I didn't understand half of him. And I got lost. I didn't know we were on the last one.
Just keep it rolling, keep it rolling.
Man, this is good though, it's helping. Like the chili sauce is helping.
Okay. Yeah, and you were saying about the challenge, you think it was good? You think we did good?
The chili sauce is helping the chili.
Okay.
Oh my god. The burn is coming right from the chili, but the chili sauce helps it.
Yeah, so
Anyway.
that challenge was really, I don't know if it was worth it. I think after a few minutes, I think it would be worth it. Right now, he's feeling the burn.
Oh yeah.
Not anymore, it doesn't seem like
It's actually better.
This is the part of the video where we do our curious questionnaire, and since the man just took a chili, I'm going to leave it up to him to do this.
Anything you guys want?
It's right in the back of my.
Yeah, you're right here, right there. Keep going. We need to finish this.
I need to let you guys know it is the part of it is the time to. I can't even talk. So bad. This is the time where you guys comment anything you guys want. It can be personal, you can email it to us. It can be about anything, about your grandma, about Donald Trump, about me, or him doing ecstasy, or I don't even know who does ecstasy anymore. It could be about anything, guys. Comment it below. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. My gosh, I still can't believe we did this. Be sure to hit that subscribe, hit the like button in the face. Make sure that you share this video to everyone you know. And as always, TMG.
Oh my goodness. Doesn't feel nice, eh?
My chili was 10 times bigger than yours.